Hey everyone, I bought this YU brand Veg Hakka Noodles, so let's check it out. Under this pack there are 4 cake of 150 gram each, so this is 600 gram pack and the MRP is 150 rupees, but we got it for rupees 76 only, which is a great discount. And these noodles are steamed, not fried. There is no oil in them and they are yellow in color. Turmeric has already been added to them. To cook them, boil one noodle cake in 1 liter of boiling water for 5-6 minutes and then strain it. They turned out to be completely fluffy and non-sticky. Now you can add your favorite vegetables and saute them. I found these noodles just to be okay. The yellowish color of the noodle is a bit strange. They don't go with the Hakka noodle usually, although they are non-sticky, but don't eat them expecting a wow Hakka noodle. They are just regular noodle. I will say budget friendly. You can try these. Better than these, you can try Moisoi brand Veg Hakka Noodles. Those are amazing. So if you find the video useful, subscribe. Bye bye.